Good morning. Oh my God. Dito tayo sa sasakyan. Sobrang aga. Kasi kailangan nating samahan si Mister. He's supposedly not working today. Pero nag-yes man ito. He keeps saying yes sa mga tao kahit pagod. Sabi pa niya, i-drive mo ako. So, punta tayo sa Manhattan. So, ngayon, hindi man ako mag-drive sa city, guys. Pero I have to stop somewhere before entering the city. Kasi I really don't like... Oh my God, what is he doing? Too much noise. Well, Taconic, han? Oh my God.
Kind of fine, hun.
Taconic is so freaking stressful driving that. The road of Taconic, guys, is so tiny. The car almost won't fit.
Like a road.
And the people over there are speeding. Oh, look at my camera pointing on you. Say hi.
Guys.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto South Street.
Okay, guys.
One of those days, guys.
One of those days, this is your choice. Okay?
Take the next right onto South Street.
Okay, guys, let's go. O diba, sobrang aga drive tayo. Kakaano lang yung araw, kakalabas lang. Kasi guys, anyway, ang araw dito lalabas late na. Yun, diba? So ngayon, Taconic na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look how tiny is the road. And then yung railing, nasa gitna railing guys. Sobrang lapit yan sa sasakyan. Kung malaki yung sasakyan mo talagang mag-fit, talagang iwan ko nakakatakot mag-drive sa Taconic. So yun, Taconic. At ito na mga asawa ko. Ay, palaging may kausap guys. Every time na talagang kasama ko siya may kausap, mga katrabaho, may-ari ng kumpanya. But yun, ako na lang dito, nag-ano ako, sabi ko, saan tayo mag-stop? Kasi I need to stop before entering the city because ayaw ko talagang nandun sa city, mag-drive ako. Nakaka-stress, baka ma-high blood ako, ma-heart attack ako doon. Sabi ko sa kanya, kaya yun, siya naman yung drive dito. So yun guys, dyan si Tami nagtatrabaho. Andyan siya. Well, actually, hindi siya nagtrabaho. Nag-ano siya dito. Meron lang siyang bulb na chini-change. Kasi yung mga tao na nagtrabaho dito, hindi nila alam kung paano mag-change ng bulb. So ngayon, si Tami yun, kahit ang layo ng drive, kailangan niya magpunta dito para lang i-change yung bulb ng yung projector. Kailangan lang i-ano yung projector. So ngayon ako dito, naghihintay lang ako dito kasi kailangan nating maghintay. Ay, ang hirap dito mag-parking. Oy, grabe, ang hirap. Nag-live ako guys, pero namatay yung live ko, kaloka. Alam nyo, inopen ko yung window kasi sobrang init. Andi naamoy ko yung ang bango. Ang bango ng pagkain na naamoy ko dito. Ang bango-bango guys, nagutom tuloy ako. Oh my God, ang sarap ng amoy. Parang ang sarap ng pagkain. Ginoo ko. Nagutom. Anyway guys, so Tami, why you backing up?
We're gonna get some space.
Tami is here, pero I freak out. You know why? Because the ticket enforcer, look at me twice. He walked twice. And look at me like, oh, you're still here. Luckily, he's here.
Well, I told you, but that's not a big deal. You expect that.
Yeah, but the way they look at you, huh?
Yeah. See, if it was a red sign, then you couldn't even sit in the car there.
Really?
Then they could ticket you.
But it says that we both here.
Right, but up until this side, and this side takes over.
Oh, okay.
That's what I said. I saw that sign through there. I said, oh shit, there's no standing area, but no. There's a second sign that took over. Bulb they got wouldn't fit right. And it was the same bulb, it just wouldn't fit right. So I took the plug connector off the old bulb, put on that, and it's still registering a bad lamp.
Anyway guys, na-stress ako guys. I'm so stressed over here in the city. I cannot come back here again. Hindi na talaga ako babalik dito guys. Kahit ano pang gagawin ni Tami, ayaw ko nang bumalik dito. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya talaga. Na andito, ang daming ano dito, yung parang siren. Narinig ninyo? Ang daming siren. Jesus. Guy. God, ang daming lukong driver, like we are going somewhere. So ngayon guys, nawala kami ni Tami, so nagpunta kami ng Jersey. Ito po palang tunnel na ito guys, nasa ilalim ng dagat. They called it Lincoln Tunnel. So yun, ito daanan pero nasa ilalim ng dagat, patungong New Jersey. Kasi guys, nawala po kami. So ngayon, inland na tayo, dito tayo sa lupa, Jersey na kami. And then guys, dahil nga meron akong na amoy doon sa Manhattan na sobrang maganda yung amoy na pagkain, gutom kami kasi past 12 na po ito and sobrang gutom ko na kaya guys, nawala kami guys. Oh my god, Tommy keep going. So nagpunta kami sa Lincoln Tunnel. Nailalong kami sa dagat. Nasa ilalim kami ng dagat.
Right.
Dito na kami sa Jersey.
Westbound.
Hala. Okay, you go follow this thing.
They all go the same way. This is just local express. It has more exits than this.
Instead sa New York napunta kami sa Jersey. Napunta kami sa ibang lugar. Gutom na gutom ako and then, so ngayon, nag-stop kami dito kasi nasaag talaga kami sa Jersey. So yan. So nag-stop kami sa Popeyes kasi wala nang choice. Ayaw ko sanang kumain ng Popeyes kasi nga alam nyo na nag-avoid ako yung mga fast food. Pero I don't have a choice kasi gutom, as in walang pagkain. Yan. Anyway, so hintayin natin si Mr. Traffic na. Hindi naman halata guys na gutom kami, ano? Pati si Mr. hindi din halata na gutom. Kain lang kami ng kain hanggang may tumawag. Naloka ako kasi guys, itong palagi na lang, every time na kasama ko siya talaga may tumatawag. Kasamahan po ito sa trabaho guys and also yung friend niya na kung saan siya ngayon binibigyan siya ng trabaho pagsamantala. So yun, si Tami hindi halata ako kumakain ng chicken. Gutom yan. So yun, masarap kasi guys road trip. Masarap ganito road trip and then kain-kain, diba? Magdala ng pagkain. Ito yung gusto ko talaga. Hello guys, home na kami guys, bahay na kami. And of course, ang unahin ko is magbihis guys, amoy chicken po tayo. Finally, nakaabot na kami sa bahay na wala yung lolo't lola ninyo. So yun, magbihis lang ako kasi nanimaho po akong amoy chicken joy. Amoy chicken joy kasi kumakain kami sa sakin, gutom na gutom nga eh. Sarap ng fries sa Popeyes. Good, sa biyahe si Inday Mirian. Pero yung pusa ko is palaging nakaalalay. Andyan palagi. So bakit ulo ko sobrang pagod dahil nga ang aga naming umalis ng bahay na wala pa kami gutom. Na-stress pa ako. O, diba? Anxiety attack ako doon sa city. Yung tingnan nyo naman yung pusa ko guys. Grabe ang cute. Palagi yung nakaano talaga sa akin. Ang cute, ang sarap. Halikan ng aking little man. Anyway guys, so alis kami ni Tami. Bibili kami ng ticket. Kasi nga yung Powerball is become like a billion. Billion already, Han, right? 1.5 billion na. So kaya, meron tayong ticket. Akong lagyan ko ng number and then quick pick yung 5. And ito, i-maintain ko tong number guys. Ano lang ito guys, pamasin kung sa Bisaya ba? Pamasin lang ni baka. Hindi natin alam, no? Baka. So, magpili tayo ng number and then i-maintain natin itong number na to. Okay, so good luck to us guys. And if you don't see me in the online thing for a while, that means we win.
No, you'll still be online.
I will be online giving money. Helping people. And that's for sure. So, look, Tommy still want me to be vlogging. Look how nice it is to have a very supportive husband. And because, guys, that's my habit now. It's not a habit. It's my love of doing it. My vlogging thing. I love it. So, good luck to us. Good luck to us, love. Are you gonna close it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Hala, you see that?
Yeah.
Hala, it's a cat? Hala, it's a cat! It's a cat, Han!
Yeah, I don't know if it was a cat. Looked like a face of an owl.
Oh yeah, looks like an owl, Han. I'm not even sure. Why owl is in the ground?
I don't know. maybe like sawmouse. Owls eat mice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Guys, if we do lottery, guys, you know, it sounds like, i-ano nyo na lang na sana manalo sila Mirian. Ang dami ko talagang matulungan, as in promise. We can help a lot of people. You know, of course, you have to secure your future also. I really want to have a Jollibee franchise.
Yeah.
Han, in the Philippines.
I should do something that helps people.
Han, I want to have a franchise.
Fast food.
Yeah, I want a franchise thing for the future, and then what? You just keep giving money away, and then in the future,
No, you don't give money away. You open up something that helps people, and it gets donations, so it builds. And as you get donations, you'll help more and more and more people. It takes the initial money to get it up and running.
So you have money, but you're asking for donation. What is that all about?
It's called non-profit organization.
Non-profit organization. I don't really like that.
Why is that?
Honestly, I can help. Well, actually, I don't know. There's a lot of non-profit organizations.
There's charity organizations that sit there and they give food and clothing and stuff to the homeless. So you know you don't have enough money to do that. You can start the organization, you can get it going, and you can hire the people and all that stuff. But you'll be out of business in a year because you'll run out of money. So that's why you do donations. So people donate and say, yeah, they do good work, they help people, will donate. And that money helps keep the business rolling, keeps paying people salaries, keeps
Okay.
money for the people. That's why you do it. A real charity organization, not these scam organizations that take all kinds of money in and don't give anything out.
Yeah, there's a lot of that. Huh?
There's tons of those.
Here, well, actually, in the Philippines, it's like secure the family. It's like, especially my niece and nephews, life is gonna be better. So, andun na si Tommy. Nagbili na siya ng ticket, guys. Bumili na siya ng ticket. Tapos na din, nagas na ako sa sasakyan. Alam nyo, ang daming tumataya. Kasi nga, pataas ng pataas yung Powerball ngayon. Tapos, hindi ko ma-imagine, Jess. Hindi ka talaga ma-imagine. So, yun. Hintayin natin siya. So, garol na talaga tayo, guys. Anyway, hintayin lang natin siya dito. Ilak natin yung ating pinto. Kasi andito tayo sa lugar na delikado. You know, this part of the... Well, actually, dito na area is okay lang. Pero, dahil sa ngalan ng lugar, pangit, guys. Nakakatakot. Mag-explain pa talaga, no? Makakatakot. Kaya, yun na siya. Parating na dito, guys. May dala na yung ticket, guys. Sana yun na yung winning number natin na dala-dala niya, di ba? Sana lang, sana. Oh, di ba? Unlock the door and we're good.
Take a look for that. I got some more blanks.
What do you...
The one that had the scribble?
Yeah.
He said, oh, this one didn't work as a scribble. I said, yeah, I realized that. I didn't realize it wouldn't take any of them, even the ones you filled out, so I had to go back and refill out another card.
Why?
Because I didn't want you to lose your numbers.
Okay, so why you didn't take it?
The machine won't take it because it had a scribble on it.
Oh, this one?
Right, so what I did was, I made another one. Here, I'll show you. Because you put 3 in there. So I just filled out these 2.
What is...
That's this card.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you do quick pick the last one?
Yeah. I just threw some number on. That was it. These were just scribbled.
Okay. How much you spend here? 20 something?
More than that.
More than that?
Oh, God. Like I said, he said, oh, just sit and fill out this. Yeah, I got it. I didn't realize. When he said that, I just assumed it, you know, it didn't fill out the bottom ones because, I knew that because it was a used ticket. I said, I didn't realize it was somebody had already, like, used it when I grabbed it and brought it to her. But I thought it would register the ones that were filled out, not the other ones.
Yeah.
It didn't register any of them.